My Hbar family, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. I love each and every one of you guys. We're finally starting to see the good stuff happening. Shout out to you guys because let's face it, I said this in my other updates as well. Right now, the stuff that we're seeing happening for the crypto space, a lot of people are just going to act like, they were the biggest moon boys. They were here when we were seeing so much uncertainty across the board, but that's not the case. In reality, not many people were here, but now we are starting to see things really start to heat up, altcoins specifically. Even though Bitcoin has been able to reach an all-time high, we have seen something very, very interesting not react to that. I'm sure if you guys watch my videos every single day, you guys know what I'm talking about, but I'm not going to waste any more of your time. Let's get right in today's, updates. But if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that red subscribe button. Remember, second half of the year, we're not missing a single day, on these uploads. So if you're looking at Hbar up 10.2% right now, seeing a lot of love. Price approaching 19 cents right now if you were to kind of round it up. Also up 5% in Bitcoin. Comparative market cap approaching $8 billion and the 24-hour trading volume at about $344.2 million. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So let's take a look at what's happening with the dominance. As I stated earlier in the update, we are starting to see something very, very interesting playing out. And boy, is this something you don't want to be ignoring. And reason why I'm saying that we don't want to be ignoring this is because remember, dominance fell below this major level around 65.12%, which we actually were above since June 21st, and we're ranging around here. And I indicated to you guys how important this level really is, and if we're able to break out, that would be quite something interesting. We did break below that, which of course is always nice to see. But as we have seen Bitcoin, breaking towards a new all-time high, Bitcoin actually saw a 5% increase today alone. A 5% increase. Yes, you've heard that correct. That itself is massive, in Bitcoin standards. Of course, the market is reacting in a really positive way, but why I'm so excited right now is because we have not seen the dominance show any strength based off of this move right here. This is giving me a big indication that altcoins really are about to heat up, because you can see, Bitcoin, yes, ended up hitting literally third or fourth all-time high of this cycle. And right now we're currently sitting at 116,500. Remember that major liquidation that I was talking to you guys about for shorts that actually did end up happening. So BTC is pretty much on the verge of breaking yet again a new all-time high, pretty much in price discovery mode. I did adjust the fib levels, but if you're looking at Hbar here, look at this, guys. We are thriving right now. We're in the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, and we have retested that 18.8 cents level I've been speaking to you guys about. And now in the next, I would say 4 to 5 hours, we're about to see that daily candle close happening. If we're able to close our daily candle around this 18.8 cents mark, very, very important range. If we're able to do that, I'm targeting this 61.8, a level that, obviously we've discussed on my channel for quite some time, but you could really see how fast things are moving. And believe it or not, a lot of people are going to be surprised how fast this moves. I've given you guys in my last few updates, I wanted you guys to, focus on the move that we saw from April up to obviously May. Remember, the dominance did see quite a sharp decline then. But right now, the dominance is still quite high compared to that level, and yet you're still seeing Hbar coming quite close to that 61.8. Things are starting to heat up, and I am personally projecting that, this could be that second wave starting, because of course we're hearing such good things coming out for crypto, and obviously that itself is quite bullish, and this itself is only a 15.5% move. If dominance continues to drop from here, Bitcoin hovers around here, I'm expecting Hbar to see that move into here, and we start retesting, of course, some of the levels we haven't seen since May. Very, very exciting times. A lot of haters are going to be speechless, of course, and that's part of the game. Remember, this market does not go up straight forever. When that does tend to happen, obviously you do tend to see the market kind of consolidate, and sometimes it's quite a big shakeout. Even in a bull market, yes, and I've said that to you guys from day one, but I know the people that follow my channel on a regular day-to-day basis are, looking at it from a realistic standpoint. They understand it's not overnight. It requires patience. You guys deserve it. I wish you guys, the best, but remember, lock those profits in when you see them. I cannot stress this enough. But speaking about lock those profits in, let's take a look at it from June 22nd low. We have seen an increase of about 50% for Hbar, which itself is a big thumbs up. Let me know down below what you guys think. We'll see you later in Crypto ZX, and peace out.